Hi, today I'll be showing you how to apply blush. I'll be using two blushes today, the single blush in 02 and the duo blush in 01. As you can see, the single blush is just one colour on its own, whereas the duo blush has two tones of blushes in one. The single blush has more of a pink purple tone and the duo blush has a coral peach tone. I'll be applying both of these blushes from the hairline to the cheekbones, mainly the duo blush to the face. So the apples of the cheek is the most important place, as that's where you naturally flush in the face when you have red cheeks. So I'll be applying that from the hairline and towards the apples of the cheeks. To create more of a natural cute look, I add some blush to the nose, but you'll see that a little bit later. So I'll be feeling for the cheekbones, that's why I add the darker duo blush, and then the lighter blush will be going on the apples of the cheek. So I like to mix the two together to put them to use because it gives you more of like a faux, fake, contoured look. To create a more natural sculpted look, I apply it as if I'm applying contour. So starting off with the duo blush, I take the deepest, darkest shade with the blush brush and I apply this from the hairline, and then I bring that slightly forward just where the cheekbones are. This also fake contours not only, but it does add some depth to the face, so it gives you more of a sculpted, natural look without having to overdo it with contour. Now with the lightest coral tone with the same blush brush, I pat off the excess on my hand and then I put it on the apples of the cheeks. When you smile, it brings forward the apples of your cheeks, so it's easier for you to know where your apples of your cheeks are because you can apply it there. So I put the lightest colour on the cheeks and then I blend everything together. And again on the other side, I take the deepest shade in the duo blush pan and I use that to fake contour, so from the cheekbones right at the back, then the lightest shade on the cheeks, so you have two tones on your face but it looks super natural. I like to layer different tones of blushes together to get a natural flushed look. I take the same blush brush with this single blush in 02, which is a really beautiful pink purple tone, and I'm going to apply this to the apples of the cheeks and a little bit on the nose as well. So again, taking some of that product, tapping the excess off my hand and then applying it directly to the apples of the cheeks. Now this suits medium skin tones so well because it's more of a deeper purple shade, and she has such beautiful skin and I feel like this tone complemented her skin so much. And just applying some of that on the nose and it just looks so natural and so pretty. A nice natural flushed look without overdoing it.